Are you there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, my slide is visible to you? All of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay, fine. So during last lecture, we must have seen this thermo softening and thermo setting plastics. As far as polymers, we must have undergone the particular polymers. What are the polymers? What is polymerization? Particular what we can say, the degree of polymerization, then what is the molecular weight of polymerization by means of the particular number average method and the weight average method. So coming to the point, that is plastics, there are two types of polymers as broadly, if we classify the particular polymers, we can have the huge study of plastics as well as the rubber. And under your syllabus, this revised syllabus 1920, the particular syllabus, it does not having the rubber as such the study under your the syllabus according to syllabus. But here the study with respect to plastics is concerned. What are the plastics? The term plastics, we must have seen the material or the substance which undergoes the permanent deformation when we apply the mechanical force or pressure. The particular material undergone the deformation, the permanent deformation. There is no any regaining, even if you release the applied pressure, heat, whatever may be the in the form of force, you are applied the particular force or pressure or the heat. Then also, if you remove the release the particular applied force or pressure, then also that material do not means regain or turn into its original shape. Okay, and that is the particular plastic is under your study. And the difference between the thermo means there are the classification of the plastics into two types, the thermo softening plastic and thermo hardening plastic, which also can be termed as the thermos plastics and thermo setting plastic. Thermo softening is also called as thermoplastics and thermosetting is also called as thermohardening plastic. Okay, and that way how these thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics are classified, this particular classification we must have undergone. The thermoplastics are formed by addition, these are formed by condensation, they are having long linear chain, they are having cross link chain, then they are can be after heating. Thermo softening plastics can be reshaped, reused and means remolded, reshaped and reused. These thermosetting plastics cannot be remolded, reshaped and reused. Thermosoftening plastics are having the weak secondary bonds. Thermosetting plastics are having strong secondary bonds. Then they are generally, thermoplastics are soft, weak and less brittle. These are hard, strong and more brittle. These are can be reclaimed by from the waste, and these cannot be reclaimed from the waste. They are affected, means the thermoplastics are generally what you can say, now all the organic solvents, carbon tetrachloride, then acetone, all these benzene, they are soluble, whereas thermosetting plastics, they are not soluble. Almost all organic solvents also do not what you can say affected the particular thermo setting plastics or thermohardening plastics. And example, if you consider polyethylene, polypropylene, polyvinyl chloride, all these are the thermo softening plastics or thermoplastics. Whereas thermosetting plastics, you are having melamine formaldehyde, urea formaldehyde, then polyurethane, polyester, all. Somebody wants बच्चों जल्दी आना है बेटा, because all the way I'm not यही काम करते रहना बैठे पड़ेगा ना the way you should come at the most 3 minutes, ठीक है ना. Now by now you are familiar. 5-10 मिनट इसमें डालना तो इट्स बिकम्स वेरी हार्ड, बिकॉज क्या है अभी मैं हमारा सेकंड ईयर का केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग सेकंड ईयर वी हैव गॉट द सब्जेक्ट, तो मेरा वो भी लेक्चर रहता है, तो मेरे को थोड़ा आई कैनॉट एक्सटेंड द लेक्चर ऑल्सो, वो भी मुझे क्योंकि मेरा 12:45 को वो लेक्चर है, उसके बीच में मुझे टिफिन भी खाना है, आपका अटेंडेंस भी लेना है, तो यू शुड कम ऑन टाइम. ओके, सो एनीवे, coming to the point, this particular the most important question during exam, you may have to attempt this question. what is the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic? Or one can ask you the small 3 marks ka question, explain थर्मो सॉफ्टनिंग प्लास्टिक्स, एक्सप्लेन थर्मोसेटिंग प्लास्टिक, अलग अलग क्वेश्चन भी पूछ सकते हैं, या डिफरेंस का क्वेश्चन, द मोस्ट कॉमन क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज अभी बहुत सारा सिलेबस हैज बीन curtailed from your syllabus, means this particular curriculum, रिवाइज सिलेबस. तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही क्या बोलते हैं लाइकली क्वेश्चन रहेगा ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम. ओके, आइदर छोटा सा नोट दोनों में 3-3 मार्क्स का या 5 मार्क्स का difference is that any form the question is most sure shot thermo softening and thermosetting. Earlier syllabus addition and condensation polymerization भी था, तो उसमें या इसमें क्वेश्चन आता था, बट अभी वो एडिशन कंडेंसेशन आई थिंक you must have studied in the 12th by considering that revised syllabus, वो consider करके वो drop किया है. Anyway, so coming to the point, हम ना मोलिकुलर वेट का मैंने लास्ट टाइम थोड़ा सा आपको ये किया था, तो मोलिकुलर वेट आई जस्ट लेफ्ट बिकॉज उसका न्यूमेरिकल ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड न्यूमेरिकल हम एंड में लेंगे, बिकॉज फर्स्ट लेट अस मीन्स कंप्लीट द पर्टिकुलर theory and then the end of your syllabus as far as that is the property. तो इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा सा आपका लिया एज अ सीक्वेंस, बट बीच में ही क्या बोलते हैं ब्रेक करने से अच्छा है कि वी विल कंप्लीट द थ्योरी पार्ट and then we will go through the particular end of this particular what you can say the module, उसका न्यूमेरिकल देखेंगे. ओके, so coming to the point, this particular plastics, one more 3-4 marks के लिए one question can be asked, which is the what is compounding of plastic, or that is nothing but the ingredients. उसको हम constituents भी बोलते हैं, but the most likely the question will be asked in such a pattern, what is compounding of plastic, explain the compounding of plastics in detail, like that the question is there. What are the particular, that is the constituent or ingredients उसको बोलते हैं कि कैसे बना है प्लास्टिक, what it comprises, what is the constitution, is nothing but compounding. Okay, so coming to the point, the particularly basic material you can say, or earlier days resins itself was taken into account or considered as a plastic. जब पहले पहले प्लास्टिक जब इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ या इन्वेंशन हुआ, तब रेजिन इटसेल्फ वाज कंसिडर्ड और उसको ही हम प्लास्टिक बोलते थे. तो व्हाट इज रेजिन? रेजिन जनरली द नेचुरल और सिंथेटिक, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम viscous solid, and nowadays because we want a specific property from plastics, so resins act as a binding material. What means in this particular compounding में आप क्या what you will write, what is it, means example, what is its significance, that way the question will be attempted. तो resins है, उसका कोई ऐसा examples are not there as such, but you may find the resins in the form of viscous solid bind and the liquid form, and which acts as a binder. Other ingredients or compounding material is to be binded by the resin, and resin may be natural or synthetic, both the type of resins are available. Okay, this is the what you can say the resins. Then second, fillers or extenders. So fillers and extenders, the basic what you can say the resin का significance, मतलब use क्या है? Use is it acts as a binder. बाकी सबको connect करना, बाकी सबको bind करना is the work of resin. So similarly, fillers and extenders. Fillers and extenders, what is the use of fillers and extenders? First of all, that is use of fillers and extender, it reduces the cost per kg of plastic. Okay, it increases the tensile strength of plastic, and hardness, means both the case, the tensile as well as hardness, what's the amount required, which can be obtained by fillers and extenders. Then decreases the shrinkage during the molding. And generally these fillers, number of fillers are available. The examples if we consider, the cost of per kg plastic जो आपका है, या most of the time shrinkage during the molding, प्लास्टिक का आर्टिकल बनाते समय, all these flexibility, tensile strength, hardness, which can be obtained as per the requirement, and number of resins are available. The first one, if you consider the cotton, cotton can act as this particular filler or extender, that is to just absorbing the shocks. Shock absorbing property can be obtained by cotton. Then you can have the quartz and mica. Quartz and mica, these are the electrical, generally the conductivity, means we are going through this particular property, conducting polymers. The most recent advanced topic, that is the polymers. As such, if we go through polymer, aapko pata hai, because all these plastics and what you can say, the rubber, both are insulators or non-conducting material, but incorporating metals, and that is another, especially aapko means under your study you have got that conducting polymers, but try to remember as a fillers and extenders, mica and quartz, generally they are for electrical conductivity, we can use as a fillers or extenders. One is cotton, then carbon to get the hardness, toughness, this particular property. Carbon, you can imagine that how much it is hard, being hard, it can be used as a to get the property, that is hardness. Then most of the time, that is what's so called as the asbestos. Asbestos is used to get the particularly what you can say, the again the electrical resistance. So number of fillers are there, mica and quartz, the particularly carbon, as I said, asbestos. Most of your press, you know, अपना ironing करते हैं ना, अपन clothes को ironing करते हैं, तो उसमें means our childhood, nowadays we are just having this age like use and throw, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, repairing and ये सब का problem solve करना बहुत कम we people used to have, but our days, no, we used to have the ironing. Ironing का out of order हो गया, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वो बंद हो गया या कुछ उसका रिपेयरिंग करना है, तो गो टू शॉप एंड देयर हम लोग क्या करते थे कि वो एस्बेस्टॉस का ऐसा प्रेस का क्या बोलते हैं, जस्ट लाइक अ साइज एंड शेप, वी यूज्ड टू बाय, उसको हम परचेस करके लेके आते थे, बिठाते थे, हाथ से निकालते थे उसका स्क्रू एंड ऑल दैट वी यूज्ड टू हैव. But nowadays I don't feel you people have undergone this particular, but asbestos, that is the heat resistance, generally you are finding through the asbestos. Why I am telling all these examples, because to remember all this, aapko fillers and extenders, that is give the heat resistance, conductivity, all these are the properties you are finding through particular fillers and extenders. Okay, then coming to the next here, the property, the compounding of plasticizers. The term itself designates the meaning of this particular plasticizers. Plasticizers to plastics give the plasticity, that is the tensile strength, flexibility. Flexibility, plasticity is the property of tensility or the flexibility can be obtained by the use of or by compounding the particular material, plastics, the plasticizers. Okay, that is, it lowers the softening temperature, then it imparts the flame proofness, then reduces the resistance towards the chemicals, solvents, etc. These plasticizers, what are the work? That is flexibility, tensility, plasticity, softening temperature lower, it lowers the softening temperature, uska melting वगैरह कम हो जाता है. Then flame proofness, generally that is heat resistance also can be obtained, and resistance towards the chemicals and the solvents, जो भी आपका organic solvents वगैरह है उसको resistance you can obtain through these plasticizers. Then the next is lubricants. So lubricant, as far as the particular lubricants, to get the glossy, as all of you us are knowing nowadays, the entire what you can say, the particular what you can the use of metals as well as the wood gets, means in this region at least we can have the humid and the moist climate, and under such a climate the particular to reduce the humidity or this particular moisture, generally we used to curtail the use of wood as well as wood gets क्या बोलते हैं, डिकम्पोज हो जाता है and your metal gets corroded. And that's why all these particular articles have been replaced by the use of plastic articles. And the plastics, they are not only resistance, as we had seen, heat resistance, then what you can say, the strength, hardness is also the quite high. Then you can get the particularly what you can say, the corrosion resistance, waterproof. Everywhere you will find the replacement of metals and woods by the plastic. And the best quality of what you can say, the plastic is it has got the fine glossy and colorful the particular surface, and that is the particular property which you are obtaining, the fine glossy finish जो मिलता है वो आपका lubricant. And जहाँ पे आपका fabrication takes place, after this only we will start the fabrication. So fabrication means to give the desired shape. You are having the very elegant colored water bottle, you are having everywhere you will observe the replacement and the particular what you can say, the during the fabrication जो भी आपका article you are going to mold in a the particular fabrication technique or the fabrication technology, through the fabrication technology वो mold में जो shape देते हैं, we whatever the shape you are getting through the mold, that particular shape give during the giving shape, what happens, the what you can say, the plastic material should not stick to that mold which is being obtained by the lubricant. जो आपका प्लास्टिक मटेरियल है मोल्डिंग के ड्यूरिंग आप मोल्टन मास पुट अप करते हैं दिस फैब्रिकेशन मोल्ड एंड यू आर कूलिंग एंड ड्यूरिंग कूलिंग दैट whatever the shape, delicate design, curves, arches जो भी है वो आपको अच्छे से मिलने के लिए you put a lubricant during the compounding of plastic, that is prevent sticking of the plastic to mold. Then pigments, coloring material provides colors, as just now I said to you, the beautiful elegant colors can be obtained by this plastic material, and for which you have to use the pigments and the coloring materials. Lubricants, as I just forgot to tell you the examples. The lubricants can be used in the form of most of the time the oils, then you can use the stearic palmitic acids, you can use the what you can say, the greases. All these can be used as a, the soaps and greases generally are used as a lubricant during the this compounding of plastic. Pigments, all of us are knowing lot of the variety of pigments, the copper sulfate, you are getting iron, the beautiful blue color, then maroon color, number of pigments are there to get the different colors. Okay, then catalyst and accelerators, the term itself designates the meaning of this particular use. Catalyst, which take parts in the, means which enhances the rate of reaction but which do not take part in the particular process, okay, as such. And that particular catalyst, if you go through the catalyst, they are added generally to thermosetting plastics, it's required especially, that is to increase the rate of polymerization, or that is the accelerate the rate of polymerization. ये जो process है आपका polymerization, by means of which you are finding the plastics is being possible with the help of catalyst and accelerators. Okay, and these catalysts, number of catalysts are there. The zirconium oxide, most of the time you are having the zirconium oxide, or the what you can say, the platinized platinum, which is very rarely, because platinum is highly high cost, and that's why the zirconium, copper, all these salts can be used as a catalyst for the polymerization reaction. And then stabilizers. Stabilizers, all of you are knowing. What is the use of stabilizer? Can you tell me, anybody? My voice is audible, all of you? Voice audible hai? Students, are you? Okay. So, anybody can answer my question? Stabilizers, where you are using? Yes? No, my question is, at your home, you must, most of you are having stabilizers. Stabilizers, hai ke nahi? Being an engineer, all of you should be keen towards all these things, you know. Stabilizer रहेगा ना अपने घर में, क्यों यूज करते? हाँ, yes, कमाल. Yes, exactly. To get the stable, uniform supply of your voltage or current. क्योंकि abruptly most of the time क्या है, जरूरी नहीं कि high voltage, कभी कभी abruptly change, कम भी हो जाता है, high भी, fluctuate, you can say the fluctuation, maybe increase, maybe decrease, and that to stabilize. We are means अपना जो refrigerator है, you are having so many appliances at your home, टीवी है, फ्रिज है, नॉर्मली then AC है, cooler है, whatever, all the electrical appliances, to get the uniform current or that particular electrical supply, we used to have the stabilizer. Okay, and the same way, that is the particular, what you can say here, we are using the stabilizers, that is to prevent the decomposition, discoloration, and the particular, what you can say, the rate of polymerization कि परफेक्ट मीन्स एज ऑलरेडी आई मस्ट हैव टोल्ड टू यू कि आपको जो स्टेबिलाईजर्स लगता है, plastic, especially the plastic or maybe rubber also, that particular stability at high temperature as well as low temperature. Freeze में तो low temperature stability लगेगा. Western countries, our country, we don't have that much problem because क्या है, अपने को high temperature का ज़्यादा problem है. Western India little bit it is there, north में थोड़ा सा cold रहता है in this what you consider winter, but on an average our country we don't have that problem. But जो western countries है, even chairs also they have to go through all these things क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत minus temperature है, तो वो plastic break हो जाता है, it cannot resist that temperature. अपना fridge का as I must have told to you, minus temperature, then your rubber articles like अपना जो tubes, all they should resist that temperature, and that is the particular, what you can say, the stabilizers. And the example of stabilizers, the good stabilizers are here, the white lead, red lead, litharge. These are the examples of stabilizers. This polymerization process. Mute the one who has unmuted, please mute. All of you got the particular compounding of plastic, समझे क्या? We use stabilizers, catalysts, accelerators, pigments, coloring material, lubricants, plasticizers, feelers, extenders, and resins. 3 to 4 marks question can be attempt. You may have to attempt during the exam. आपको question attempt करना पड़ेगा, पढ़ सकता है. Okay. And that particular question is explain in detail the compounding of plastic. All of my point. Explain in detail the compounding of plastic करके question can be asked. Okay. So coming after this, fabrication of plastics. Okay, fabrication of plastics or molding of plastic. As many times I said to you, this fabrication is the technology by means of which the desired shape is given to the plastic articles. And what you can say, these mechanical engineering students, they have got the particularly subject, एक subject ही है FT, फैब्रिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी करके उनको एक सब्जेक्ट ही रहता है मैकेनिकल स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज फैब्रिकेशन all the particular they it's not like they deals with only machines and the what you can say the materials of construction designing, but ये भी डिजाइन करते हैं, they are designing the mold itself, fabrication. And that way the particular what is fabrication, generally you have to, this is sure short question ना ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम. यहाँ पे 4 मेथड्स है, compression molding, transfer molding, injection molding, and extrusion molding. 4 methods are under your study. So एक method and the what you can say the definition of fabrication. The question is sure short, आता ही है question. Subjective paper में 3-4 marks, it depends upon. तो वो question you have to attempt like what is fabrication, explain the fabrication of plastics by compression method, explain the fabrication of plastic by extrusion method, injection method, or the this transfer method. एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आएगा आपको ये all the out of all these 4 methods, एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आएगा. Okay, so coming to the point, as far as this particular, to give the desired shape to that of the plastic article, is called as fabrication of plastics. Okay, and this fabrication, if you go through this particular this slide, you will find this is the compression molding. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Compression molding. In this process, compression molding, basically this process is the best applicable for fabrication of the thermosetting plastics. We had undergone the thermosetting and thermosoftening plastic. The thermohardening या thermosetting plastic के बना means fabricate करने के लिए या desired shape देने के लिए this is the best method. But if you go through the care, what you can say, the most क्या बोलते हैं, careful appliances, you can use it for thermosoftening plastic, but you have to taken into account, or you have to take the most care, like while you are taking out the particular article, you have to first of all cool it in a normal way, and not the abruptly you will open the mold and you will get the finished fine glossy surface of the particular article. Thermosoftening plastics, if you want to fabricate in under this particular, then you have to taken into account this particular precaution. But thermosetting plastic, this is the best as far as the thermosetting plastics. So आपके answer में this thing should come for all the four. Compression and transfer molding है जो आपका thermosetting plastic के लिए है, and injection and extrusion जो दो method है, those are for thermosoftening plastic के लिए. So coming to the point as far as how the particular process is to be done, you can observe in this particular diagram the two parts. This is the upper part and this is the lower part. Okay, and this upper part is having, which is called as the mill die, top molding cavity, or the top molding part is called as mill die. Lower part is the what you can say, the bottom molding part or the bottom molding cavity, which is called as female die. These are the two parts you can see, and basically these two parts have been joined by means of guide pin. ये ऐसा एक के ऊपर एक part आ जाता है, and वहाँ पे two guidelines you can see. All of you are able to watch this diagram. Come on, students, आप देख सकते हैं सब लोग? हाँ. These are the two guide pins by means of which these two parts have been connected. ये जो upper molding cavity या part है, and lower molding या bottom molding, top molding. ऐसा भी कई books में you will find upper and this lower, and some books you will find this top and the bottom. तो ये जो दोनों part है, these have been connected by means of guide pins. When you are connecting tightly close through these guide pins, and when you have to eject the article from the cavity, you have to lose these guide pins, both the guide pins. And you can observe these arrows by means of which you are putting high pressure through this particular top molding part. And this down molding part comprises this particular part you can see, which is the particular the plastic molding cavity as such. And whatever the desired shape, the mold here, you have to put first of all the powdered mold, plastic powder into this particular molding cavity. ये cavity में powdered, the where quantity, the definite volume you have to take in a powdered form the plastic ingredients. जो compounding में हमने देखा ना, maybe plasticizer है, maybe resin है, maybe your lubricant है, catalyst है, stabilizer है, plasticizer. All these compounding material required for the manufacturing or giving the desired shape is to be taken into this particular molding cavity. And the particular means little more volume of the plastic material you have to take and close this cavity by means of this top molding part. Okay, उसमें लेने का cavity में little more volume, and then tightly you through these guide pins you have to close this particular top molding cavity, this molding powder. Then what you are doing now, you have to heat the particular mold by means of the temperature. Generally 100 to 300 degrees centigrade, and at this temperature and the pressure, generally you can observe 2000 to 10,000 psi, and it depends upon the particular which part you are going to mold. That much temperature and pressure you have to put, and the period till this curing of this mold, this what you can say, the plastic mass occurs. जब तक आपको ये plastic in this particular cavity you have to heat till the point curing. Curing मतलब बराबर उसका shape, desired shape वो gain करता है, article gain करता है, तब तक आपको ये cavity में आपका plastic mass heat करना है under the pressure, and then you have to go through this particular mass. Now after curing you have to lose these guide pins, लूज करना है 2 guide pins, and then this ejector pin है, you have to pull it down, and then you will find this particular cavity is open. Allow it to natural cooling or expose that particular shaped article to that of the air, cool air, or maybe sprinkling the water. It depends upon which article you are going to fabricate into this particular mold. And particularly by using this particular fabrication method called as compression molding, dishes, handles of cooking pots, high voltage switches, then you are apart from this you are having the toilet seats, jo kamar ka toilet seats, all these are the articles made by the compression molding. Okay, जो आपका हैंडल्स है कुकिंग पॉट्स का, जो बैकलाइट या प्लास्टिक बोलते हैं ना, सो दोस पर्टिकुलर हैंडल्स, डिशेस, देन हाई वोल्टेज स्विचेस जो है वो सब इससे, या आपका टॉयलेट सीट्स एंड ऑल दिस पर्टिकुलर आर मेड अप ऑफ दिस compression molding. All of you got during exam you have to write this explanation, means आपका जो डायग्राम है with respect to diagram you have to explain ये guide pin क्या है, top molding, bottom molding, then extractor pin, जो आपको जब remove करना है from the mold article you have to pull it down, extractor pin, ये सब आपको explain करके then you have to means write the application, कहाँ पे आप कौन सा part उससे fabricate करते हैं. All of you got my point? Come on students, all of okay. So coming to the second, एक्सट्रैक्टर पिन नो, ये आपका गाइड पिन खाली लूज करेगा, है ना. 2 गाइड पिन्स, you can observe this top molding cavity या top molding part and the bottom molding part, इनको कनेक्ट करने का काम गाइड पिन करता है. बट दिस मोल्ड, ये जो कैविटी है उसमें आपको, हमने तो अपना डिजाइन सिंपल डिजाइन बनाया है, जो भी डिश है यू कैन इमेजिन द 3 डायमेंशनली. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेमिस्टर यू विल हैव द ग्राफिक्स, आपका क्या बोलते हैं ड्राइंग का सब्जेक्ट इज देयर, बिकॉज बीइंग अ इंजीनियर ऑल दिस थिंग्स 3 डायमेंशनली यू शुड ट्राई टू इमेजिन. मैं 3 डायमेंशनली भी एक्चुअली यहाँ पे मैंने वो नेट पे जो मिलता है 3 डायमेंशनल डायग्राम था उसको रिमूव करके, ये क्योंकि ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस 3 डायमेंशनल डायग्राम, आपको अभी भी कुछ नहीं समझेगा एंड एग्जाम में भी ड्रॉ नहीं कर पाएंगे. ओके, सो बुक में वगैरह आपका लिटरली आई टुक द फोटोग्राफ एंड पुट अप हियर, क्योंकि आपको ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा एंड इन योर आई फ्रंट वंस यू आर लिसनिंग, देन फिर से आप देखते हैं तो आपको पता चलता है. अदरवाइज वेरी ब्यूटिफुली ड्रॉन 3 डायमेंशनल डायग्राम आई कुड हैव पुट ओवर हियर. बट आपको एग्जाम में आपको ड्रॉ भी करना है एंड यू शुड कम टू नो 3 डायमेंशनली. दैट्स वाई 2 डायमेंशनल जो पेपर पे डायग्राम है, ऐसा वाला डायग्राम मैंने आपको ड्रॉ करने के लिए भी यही यूज करेंगे. ओके, सो कमिंग टू द पॉइंट, व्हाट आई मीन टू टेल यू इज लाइक दैट, यू जस्ट ट्राई टू इमेजिन कि आपका हैंडल है तो उसका ऐसा वाला एक शेप रहेगा, डिश है तो उसका ऐसा राउंड वाला सर्कल वाला, आजकल रेक्टेंगल सॉरी आपका स्क्वायर वाला भी मिलता है. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर शेप का आपका ये मोल्ड रहेगा, ये मोल्डिंग कैविटी रहेगा. उसको ये गाइड पिन तो खाली व्हाट इट डज, इट टॉप एंड बॉटम मोल्डिंग पार्ट को लूज करके उसमें टाइटली फिट करना है, लूज करना है, ये काम है. बट आपका एक्सट्रैक्टर पिन ये जो मोल्ड कैविटी डील करता है, कि आपको एक्सट्रैक्टर पिन से आप वो कैविटी का लूज होना एक्सट्रैक्टर पिन विल डू. अगेन दूसरा डायग्राम में भी यू विल फाइंड द पर्टिकुलर थिंग. वो मोल्ड में जाके वही उसका रहेगा एक्सट्रैक्टर पिन का सेम. ओके, सो एक्सट्रैक्टर पिन व्हाट इट डज, आपका जो मोल्ड टाइटली बैठा है इसके इन दोनों के साथ उसको एक्सट्रैक्टर पिन आप पुल करेंगे, यू विल पुल इट डाउन, देन इट विल लूज योर कैविटी में से आपका क्या बोलते हैं शेप, डिजायर्ड शेप मिलता है. इफ यू हैड undergone the particular property, नहीं प्रॉपर्टी नहीं सॉरी एग्जाम्पल, योर मॉम मस्ट बी प्रिपेयरिंग द अपना जो दिवाली में है या ये गणपति आता है, गणपति में यू माइट हैव बीन ऑब्जर्व ऐसा आर्च आता है, मोल्ड रहता है एल्यूमिनियम का, स्टील का मोल्ड रहता है. डू यू रिमेम्बरिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स? तो वो आपका शेप मोदक का शेप आता है ना. सो लाइक दैट पर्टिकुलर शेप यू कैन गेट. बट आपको वो मोल्ड कैविटी लूज करने के लिए हिंजेस है कि नहीं, 3 फ्लैप रहता है या 4 फ्लैप, नॉट लेस देन. तो वो फ्लैप हिंजेस से कनेक्टेड है. हिंजेस आप जब लूज करेंगे तब वो अच्छे से शेप आएगा. सेम वे हियर द एक्सट्रैक्टर पिन विल लूज द 3 डायमेंशनली. आप ये करो, इमेजिन करो, तो आपका ये मोल्ड कैविटी में से आपका आर्टिकल निकल जाएगा. यू कैन, हाँ चिपक गया है, तो वैसे उसका काम रहता है. ओके, सो कमिंग टू द पॉइंट, इंजेक्शन मोल्डिंग. ये इंजेक्शन से हम पहले कंप्रेशन लेते हैं. तो आपको क्या होगा कि कंप्रेशन सॉरी ट्रांसफर मोल्डिंग. ट्रांसफर मोल्डिंग आफ्टर कंप्रेशन, ट्रांसफर मोल्डिंग इज आल्सो यूज्ड because under means when you are writing your answer, no, you have to write, मैंने बोला ना compression molding and transfer molding both are used for thermosetting plastic materials, for fabrication of thermosetting plastics. and injection and extrusion है वो बाद में देखेंगे, वो थर्मो सॉफ्टनिंग प्लास्टिक के लिए फैब्रिकेशन के लिए यूज करते हैं. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग दिस ट्रांसफर मोल्डिंग कि आपका ये जो ट्रांसफर मोल्डिंग है दिस इज बेसिकली यूज फॉर, बिकॉज ये मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड रहते हैं, वेदर यू हैव रिटन द प्रोसेस, वेदर यू हैव ड्रॉन द डायग्राम, वेदर यू हैव रिटन द एग्जांपल्स, कुछ एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज है क्या, ऑल दिस थिंग्स मार्क्स हैव बीन क्या बोलते हैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, बिकॉज यू हैड कम फ्रॉम 12th. तो 12th में यू मस्ट हैव अंडरगॉन किया आपका, या 10th में ऑल द मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज देयर. ये लिखा है क्या नहीं, डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया है कि नहीं, बिकॉज हियर वन may not be writing explain with a neat diagram. This particular means what you can say, it is being under क्या बोलते हैं consideration कि आपको ये मोल्डिंग लिख रहे तो ड्रॉ करना ही है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ऊपर जो नोट दिया रहता है, नोट में लिखा रहता है फिगर्स टू द राइट इंडिकेट्स फुल मार्क्स. Okay, तो ऐसे में आपको फिगर डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना ही है. सो कमिंग टू द पॉइंट, दिस इज द पर्टिकुलर मेथड वेयर व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. जनरली दिस इज इंजेक्शन मोल्डिंग का प्रिंसिपल इसमें आ जाता है. दैट इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ एज सच. I'll show you the diagram and we will go through the particular. This is the diagram. Okay, all of you are able to see the diagram? Yes. So what is this particular diagram? Here you will find this is the cylinder. Okay, and this our chamber, hot chamber, or the vertical cylindrical part is there. Again you have to imagine the 3-dimensionally, and this particular chamber or the vertical the particularly cylinder, the steel line cylinder is there, and that particular lining there are the attachments of these preheaters, maybe the heating coils, or in the form of that particular preheater. What you are taking, the plastic, what you can say the right composition plastic powder we are taking into this hot chamber or the hot cylindrical part. Okay, steel part made up of which we called as the hot chamber. In this chamber the right composition and the particularly the weight plastic powder is taken, and with the use of these preheaters, we are trying to melt that powder. Plastic powder, first we are going to melt it, and this molten plastic mass by means of plunger, you can see this particular vertical part with above the arrows, the high pressure plunger. What's the significance of plunger? Plunger push, or it forces down this molten plastic mass through this orifice. Orifice is a small hole. ये जो part है आपका, यहाँ तक ये heating coils रहता है, and plastic molten mass by means of orifice with the application of this high pressure, the use of plunger, you are forcing it into mold cavity. This is जो आपका cross line जो part दिख रहा है ना, ये part है आपका mold cavity. And this particular mold cavity by means of hinges, both the side यहाँ पे आपको hinges दिखेगा, and the desired shape of mold is there, and in this particular mold you are forcing the molten mass of the plastic, the ingredients or the compounding material into this particular cavity, the mold cavity, which is attached by means of both the side hinges, and this particular liquid or the semi-solid molten mass is allowed to cure to get the desired shape of an article. This is the upper part of the mold, this is the lower part of the mold, and this is the particularly liquid plastic mass, molten plastic liquid mass is under the curing stage. And by means of this orifice, which comprises this plunger, which works under a high pressure to push this particular molten plastic mass, which is forced through this orifice, takes place, and the particular curing, till the curing occurs, you have to keep that mass in a molten state into this particular mold cavity. And as the time goes on, the curing occurs, allow it to cool it into this particular cavity, and then again you have to, with the help of these hinges आपको open करना है, means जैसे ही आपका डोर ओपन करते हैं, लॉक इज देयर, बट लॉक निकाल के हम डोर उठा के नहीं रखते, हिंजेस आर देयर जस्ट टू क्लोज एंड ओपन. हिंजेस पे आपका डोर ओपन भी होता है, लॉक भी होता है ना. लॉक निकाला तो हम उठा के नहीं रखते हैं. द सेम वे द हिंजेस, व्हेन यू क्या बोलते हैं, उसका मूवमेंट होगा, you can eject the articles of the desired shape through this particular transfer molding. And with the use of this transfer molding, the delicate and the complicated shapes generally you can fabricate with the help of this transfer molding. Okay, all of you are getting, I'll just read out for your, that is, in this method the molding powder is placed in a heated chamber maintained at minimum temperature, at which it begins to become a plastic molten mass हो जाता है by use of these preheaters containing the coils. The plastic mass is injected through the orifice. इसलिए वो injection molding का, means why I did not tell, because injection molding हमने लिया नहीं है, but injection molding क्योंकि we are injecting through the orifice, into orifice means small hole है, जहाँ से by means of plunger which is working under high pressure, we are forcing through the orifice into the mold cavity. Due to very great friction developed at the orifice, orifice में बहुत high pressure से जो आप क्या बोलते हैं molten plastic mass push करते हैं या force करते हैं, तो it acts just as a liquid. Means इतना pressure पे वो it acts just as a liquid, and it flows quickly to the mold, to which is being heated up to curing temperature required for setting, and then article is ejected mechanically. Hinges को हम lose करके mechanically we can eject the article, allow it to expose the open air. It depends upon which type of, means as already I said to you, this particular method, the complicated designs, complex shapes and complicated designs can be obtained by means of this, what so called as द ट्रांसफर मोल्डिंग. ट्रांसफर मोल्डिंग से हम ऐसा शेप्स एंड डिजाइन्स मिलते हैं जहाँ पे कॉम्प्लेक्स शेप्स एंड द कॉम्प्लिकेटेड डिजाइन्स है. Then what are the advantages? This method is very advantageous in that shape, as already I said to you, the intricate shapes which are not attainable by compression molding. जो first हमने molding देखा, जहाँ पे मैंने आपको डिजाइन जो बताए उसमें कहीं भी कॉम्प्लेक्स डिजाइन नहीं था. आपका जो यूटेंसिल्स है उसका होल्डर्स जो रहता है, हैंडल्स जो रहता है वो हैंडल है. Then toilet seat covers है, then dishes है. All these do not have any intricate or the complex shapes and delicate design. जो intricate shapes है ये transfer molding से you can readily be produced. And this particular delicate, ये जो मैंने बोला already, articles which are means what you can say molded through this transfer molding are free from flow marks. मीन्स उसमें कुछ ऐसा फ्लो मार्क्स नहीं आता है, बिकॉज देर इज नो एनी कंप्रेशन मोल्डिंग के जैसा स्टेडीली यू हैव टू कूल इट, अदरवाइज उसमें फ्लॉज आएगा जो कि आपका कंप्रेशन मोल्डिंग में. बट विदाउट फ्लॉ मार्क्स यू कैन means design the article in this transfer molding. Then thick pieces can also be cured. Curing thick pieces कितना भी क्या बोलते हैं ठीक है. सब मेनी टाइम्स यू मस्ट हैव अंडरगॉन जो लो पुअर क्वालिटी का प्लास्टिक है इट गेट्स ब्रेकन अप. क्यों क्या है आपका थिक पीसेस या ये जो प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. मीन्स आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर दिस डे बिफोर यस्टरडे, नो मीन्स फ्राइडे को अपना ही कॉलेज में एक अपना व्हील चेयर था एंड दोस्त पर्टिकुलर प्लास्टिक का बना है व्हील चेयर्स का. जो नीचे का व्हील चेयर का जो ऐसा 4 या 3 उसका जो लेग्स बोलते हैं जिसमें व्हील्स अटैच्ड है वो ब्रेक हो गया. एंड वन ऑफ फैकल्टी हैड मीन्स वो थोड़ा पुराना था इसलिए वो वैसे, बट मे बी वो मैडम बोल रही थी कि अच्छे से दिख रहा था बट क्वालिटी वॉज पुअर बिकॉज वो ब्रेक हुआ. जब हमने व्हेन वी हैड ऑब्जर्व वी फाउंड कि उसमें बहुत सारा ऐसा क्या बोलते कैविटीज था कि वो अच्छे से वो क्या बोलते मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिफेक्ट्स थे उसमें, इसलिए वो ब्रेक हो गया. एंड शी वॉज नॉट एट ऑल हाई वेट वगैरह ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, स्टिल इट वॉज ब्रोकन. ओके, सो व्हाट आई मीन टू टेल यू इज लाइक दैट कि आप ये सब है कि जो बिग थिक पीसेस है उनका क्यूरिंग अच्छे से होना, दिस इज ऑल्सो बीइंग पॉसिबल बाय ट्रांसफर मोल्डिंग. देन इफ वी टेक द मीन्स केयरफुल रहेंगे, यूनिफॉर्म केयर लेते हैं, श्रिंकेज डिस्टॉर्शन ये आपका कभी कभी शेप्स क्या बोलते हैं टेढ़ा शेप एंड ऑल दैट यू कैन से श्रिंकेज हो जाता है बीच में ही. ऑल दिस कैनॉट बी मीन्स कैन बी अवॉइडेड बाय ओविंग टू दिस पर्टिकुलर ट्रांसफर मोल्डिंग. ओके, देन फिनिशिंग कॉस्ट मीन्स ऐसा नहीं कि वो ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है. इट इज the what you can say the it's not the expensive, it is affordable price. You can conduct this particular process of fabrication. Blistering is almost eliminated and gases expelled are generally in the plasticizing chamber itself. तो आपका आर्टिकल का कुछ क्या बोलते हैं डैमेज नहीं होता है ड्यू टू द गैसेस इवॉल्व ड्यूरिंग दिस हीटिंग और एक्सपेल जो गैसेस एक्सपेल हो रहे हैं उससे ब्लिस्टरिंग भी नहीं आता है. ब्लिस्टरिंग यू नो ब्लिस्टरिंग मतलब वही पार्ट्स का जो आप डिजाइन कर रहे हैं उसमें कुछ ब्लिस्टर्स नहीं मिलते हैं एंड इट इज लेस कॉस्ट, नो अब्रेसिव एक्शंस. All these are the advantages of transfer molding and this is the particular method which we called as the transfer molding. Next time we'll see extrusion का थोड़ा सा देखते हैं and last we'll take injection. Extrusion molding, the term itself designates the meaning of extrusion. Extrusion is the process where the uniform cross section in your this what you can say the answer you should be able to write this particular thing कि the when I said कि इसमें कौन सा तो extrusion molding is dynamically you have been applied to get the uniform cross sectional area articles. uniform cross sectional area, tubes, rods, filaments, cables, wires, sheets, all these are the particular, what you can say, the articles can be obtained or can be molded by using this extrusion molding. The articles which are having this word should come in your answer, that is the uniform cross sectional area. Such a particular articles can be molded by using extrusion molding, जिसमें आपका ट्यूब्स, rods, sheets, wires, cables, filaments, all these are coming under this particular extrusion molding, the particularly type of fabrication. And this particular what you are having, that is to extrude the plastic mass, you are having this what you can say, the revolving screws. Okay, this particularly the revolving or Archimedean screw, generally it has got, which revolves. This is the hopper. Hopper से हम क्या करते हैं, आपका plastic, the desired, what you can say, the composition and the weight, the particular volume of that particular plastic mass is powder is taken through this hopper, and there are, you can see, observe this particular jo circular, again the coils by means of this called as the heating coils are there. Generally the heating may be done by gaseous heating also, because it has got the long cylindrical what you can say, the horizontally placed, the particularly chamber or the stainless steel what you can say, the cylinder which has been put up horizontally as well as vertically. Vertical भी रहता है and horizontal, दोनों भी आपको under your syllabus it is there. We'll see exactly how it rotates. This Archimedean screw or rotating screw rotates and pushed this particular by means of this conveyor belt रहता है, वो आपके डाई में जाता है, डाई का पर्टिकुलर शेप रहता है, ये जो स्क्रू से फोर्सिंग प्लास्टिक मोल्टन मास, क्योंकि ये हीटिंग कॉइल हीट करके वो मोल्टन मास डाई में आ जाता है, डाई में डिजायर्ड शेप एंड द डायमेंशन का डाई रहता है, वहां से आपका आर्टिकल ये कूलिंग के लिए कन्वेयर बेल्ट को खींच के, या यू आर pushing, pulling it, which is done by this conveyor belt or pulling roll यहाँ पे रहता है. We will see this particular extrusion molding in detail. दो टाइप का रहता है. एक तो आप क्या करते हैं, by using this आपका वायर्स केबल्स, जो एल्यूमिनियम का केबल्स है या कॉपर का है, वो भी एक्सट्रूड, यू माइट हैव बीन ऑब्जर्व, आपका क्या बोलते हैं, फिटिंग के लिए, इलेक्ट्रिकल फिटिंग के लिए जो केबल्स है, बड़ा बड़ा डायमेंशन का, छोटा छोटा भी रहता है, कॉपर का, एल्यूमिनियम का, स्टील का, वो केबल्स एक्सट्रूड, ऊपर से प्लास्टिक है उसको, वो जो प्लास्टिक क्या बोलते हैं, एक्सट्रूड कवर करते हैं. That is also possible by extrusion molding. In detail, next time I will tell you exactly. अपना ये सब मशीन्स अवेलेबल है ऐसा नहीं, बट मैकेनिकल में ना थोड़ा बहुत मशीनरीज मिलेगा आपको. मैकेनिकल स्टूडेंट्स दे हैव गॉट ऑल दिस पर्टिकुलर व्हाट यू कैन से द डिजाइनिंग एंड ये सब, तो उनको है. इवन केमिकल में भी थोड़ा सा आपको मिलता है, क्योंकि केमिकल आल्सो, द केमिकल स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो डिजाइनिंग द इक्विपमेंट्स एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर मशीनरीज. तो मैं बोली ना आपको कि मैकेनिकल के बच्चों को तो एक पूरा सब्जेक्ट है, फैब्रिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी FT करके सब्जेक्ट रहता है उनको, तो दे आर. हाँ बोलिए. हाँ 3D प्रिंटर, यस एग्जैक्टली. नाउ यू ऑल ऑफ योर A डिवीजन एंड B डिवीजन, आप कौन सा इसके है ब्रांच के, कंप्यूटर्स, बायोमेड, अच्छा बायोमेडिकल, केमिकल. बायोमेडिकल तो यू पीपल डील्स विथ इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन, आपको भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट डिजाइन करना एंड उसका क्या बोलते हैं वर्किंग एंड ऑल दैट यू गो थ्रू ऑल दिस पर्टिकुलर. तो नहीं कंप्यूटर का है, नहीं है ऐसा नहीं, एवरीवेयर इन अ वे. व्हाट आई वांट टू शेयर यू दिस थिंग कि आपका कंप्यूटर का मीन्स, आई पर्सनली फॉर माय किड्स व्हेन आई हैड अंडरगॉन, उनका जो प्रोजेक्ट्स रहता है ना, यू डायरेक्टली डू नॉट डील, एंड आपको प्रोजेक्ट नया प्रोजेक्ट मिला, मीन्स इफ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू द सर्विस बेस्ड आपका सॉफ्टवेयर मीन्स क्या बोलते प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विस बेस्ड दो रहता है ना कंप्यूटर वाला का, तो आपका जॉब्स डील्स विथ प्रोडक्ट बेस या सर्विस बेस, तो सर्विस बेस में हर वक्त आपका नया नया प्रोजेक्ट आता है, एंड प्रोजेक्ट आपको मे बी यू मे हैव द फार्मास्यूटिकल प्रोजेक्ट लाइक टीसीएस कंपनीज में कहाँ पे भी उनका क्या बोलते हैं वो जो आउट ऑफ ये भी रहता है, तो दैट डील्स विथ फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी का भी कभी प्रोजेक्ट है, तो आपका ट्रेनिंग पीरियड में आपको यू हैव टू डील विथ ऑल दैट पर्टिकुलर की फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी में क्या चल रहा है, केमिकल कंपनी का, बिकॉज यू डील विथ फार्मास्यूटिकल नॉट डील विथ डायरेक्टली, बट उसका सब करना पड़ता है ना आपको, तो दैट वे यू आर डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली इन द फील्ड यू मे डील विथ ऑल दिस। तो आई हैड अंडरगॉन दिस पर्टिकुलर मर्क का है प्रोजेक्ट, तो ऑन साइट पे प्रोजेक्ट था, तो मेरा रिलेटिव्स का ऑन साइट पे, तो ही यूज्ड टू आस्क मी, so that way you deals with, so nowadays the things are very much क्या बोलते हैं, and you know the particular आपको सबको नॉन क्या बोलते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर भी you deals with hardware, and hardware का लोग भी सॉफ्टवेयर का डीलिंग in field you may have to deal with all these things. So coming to the point, as far as today, no, if you would have been, I want to share this thing to both of the classes, क्योंकि क्या है अभी आप रेगुलर अपना कॉलेज रहता तो फंक्शन वगैरह का जनरली आर कॉलेज वी हैव गॉट द फंक्शंस ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड, टुडे वी आर ऑल ऑफ अस आर इन द कॉलेज, तो आज क्या बोलते हैं वुमेन्स डे है ना, तो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू हैव दैट, थोड़ा सा तो कॉलेज में कुछ तो 3 to 5 होगा हमारा, so what I mean to tell you, you people would have enjoyed because being a first year, no, you people are having थोड़ा सा improve रहता है कि क्या है कैसे है क्या अपना ट्रेडिशन है, टू हाउ टू अपना जो फेस्ट रहता है वो फेस्ट रहता है, स्पोर्ट्स रहता है, ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू माइट हैव बीन गॉन थ्रू दिस बिकॉज लास्ट ईयर ये सब हो गया, एंड 24th से अपना कॉलेज बंद हो गया था, मार्च 24 को बंद हो गया, ये सब चल रहा था, सो जस्ट रिमेम्बर दिस डे कि लास्ट ईयर बच्चे गर्ल सब लोग हम एंजॉय किया, दिस ईयर वी आर टीचिंग एनीवे, बट इट्स बीन कि आप आ जाएंगे जब कुछ तो अपना रहेगा, ओके, एंड होपफुली द सर्कमस्टेंसेस विल बी इम्प्रूव हो जाएंगे सर्कमस्टेंसेस, एंड